Welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet. So, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Listen, y'all, 95% of y'all are not subscribed to the channel, but you're watching the videos, which of course I really truly appreciate. My goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I want to give a whole big giveaway, but I can't do that if y'all don't hit that subscribe button. Come on, y'all. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Help me grow my channel. Subscribe. All right. So now, what we're doing today is we are going to be doing printable heat transfer paper. What is printable heat transfer paper? Well, it's a transfer paper that it's vinyl that you can print on using your inkjet printer, and you get the same results as sublimation. Okay. Now, today we're going to be using we got some Asub Asub transfer paper, and this is printable transfer paper. And then you're going to need your heat resistant tape. Of course, you're going to need a t-shirt. I have a dark t-shirt because I'm using the paper for dark fabrics, and of course it's for cotton. And then you can't do any of this without your inkjet printer. So this is my trusty little HP 3755 all-in-one copier scanner printer. Okay, really cute, really cheap. I paid less than $50 for this thing, y'all. And a lot of times the question is, what kind of printer? What kind of printer? What is an inkjet printer? Well, an inkjet printer is simply a printer that takes a cartridge, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like so there's no confusion. This is the cartridge. This is a cartridge ink for a inkjet printer. Okay, so it's just cartridge ink. That's it. That's all. That's all you need. And now I'm gonna show y'all how to use printable heat transfer paper. I got a really cute image that child designed on my own using ChatGPT. That's my new thing now. I've been making a million images on ChatGPT. I'm gonna bring y'all a video on how to make your own images on ChatGPT. Really cute. I'm gonna show you how it looks when we print it out of our printer, and then we'll go ahead and press it. Y'all gonna see it for the first time. And I'm telling y'all, I swear, I made this image myself. I saw some places, not this particular image, but the style on, like, you know, Etsy and everywhere else. And I said, if you've been following me long enough, I said, I will never pay somebody to do what I can do myself. You know how that go. So I just typed in everything I needed to the T, and ChatGPT came through with the image. So let's go ahead. We're going to print it out. Y'all going to see what it looks like. And then we're going to print it on our t-shirt. And the good thing about this actual transfer paper is really easy to use. The instructions are really simple. And I think you're going to like it. All right. So let me show you what it looks like when we print it out. And then we're going to go ahead and press it. That's it. Now, as y'all can see, this is the image that I made myself, child. Yes, I did. I really will. ChatGPT helped me. So y'all see that? That's cute, right? Because that's how I feel every day. The bills is billing. So I made this image using ChatGPT. You have to really type in specifics to what you want when it comes to ChatGPT if you want to make your own images. Like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all a video on that. I think you guys will really enjoy it. But this is what she looks like. And then we're just gonna put her on this black shirt right here. And we're gonna see what she does. And that's it. Now, what I did was, here's a little trick, right? I tried to use most of the vinyl. So this is 8.5 by 11. That's the vinyl that's the vinyl size. That's the transfer paper size that I use. So what I did was I tried to make my image 8.5 by 11. That's really, even though the paper says 8.5, it's really a little less in measurements. But what I did was I tried to use the most of the vinyl so I could print it out. And the way I did that was I just printed it out using my regular printer settings. You don't need the Cricut for this. You don't have to put it through your Cricut to cut it, because you know if you do that, you'll have to take into account the registration marks, and it'll make it smaller than it is. So by doing this, you use most of your vinyl. So all I did was, once I downloaded my image into my computer, I literally just went to print it, and it printed out almost the size of the vinyl. And then I just cut the edges off where y'all seen when it came out. They had some little white edges. I just used some scissors to trim it so I can get just the whole piece of the vinyl, right? So y'all get that? You're just gonna download your image and then print it out using your regular printer settings. Or you can use a program to do the same thing. You can use Canva. Canva, you'll just upload it into your you'll upload the image into your Canva. Same thing. You just make sure it says 8.5 by 11, which is, it's not going to be a full sheet, but it'll give you most of what you want. But either way, you'll get your whole image printed on the vinyl. Ha! Y'all got that? All right, let's go ahead and print this out. I'm feeling good. Printable Heat transfer paper, the Asub manufacturer. Let's go, y'all. And yes, this really is a ChatGPT image that I made myself. Y'all see that? Oh, the girl was so hyped. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. So I already pre-pressed my shirt for 5 seconds. Always pre-press your garments to get the moisture out, regardless of what you're going to be pressing. Now, the instructions on this, like I said, they're really simple. And this calls for 329 at 25 seconds. I have a auto press. It only goes in 5-second increments, so I set it to 330. We're going to go ahead and press this now. Now I'm going to just lay my garment down first, and I'm going to use my t-shirt ruler. Now if y'all have never seen me use this particular ruler, I feel like I made a video on it, on how to make this. This is like to get the perfect centering for a t-shirt. If I didn't, somebody tell me in the comments, and then I will absolutely go ahead and make another one on how to take an old mat, turn it into a t-shirt ruler. Okay, but here we go. This is too high, so you're gonna bring it down here, right? Because you have to center it. So I'm gonna center our mat here. I'm gonna bring our girl down here, right? She's centered. Yes, she is centered. Now, oh shoot, sorry y'all. She shifted this bit. It comes with this butcher paper. Look, first mistake. This is why I like real in-time videos. I was about to press this, y'all, and I forgot to peel off the paper on the back. Okay, so remember, don't be like your girl. You're gonna make sure you peel off the paper on the back of your thing. My nails is jacked up, so let's go ahead and try to get this off. Oh baby, what is going on here? All right, here we go. So we're literally just gonna peel. Oh, ciao. All right, here we go. We're going to peel the paper off the back, right? Because this is our vinyl we're gonna be printing on. So just be careful, make sure it doesn't stick. Because this vinyl is kind of sticky. All right, so here we go. Back to putting it in our place. Our t-shirt ruler. We're gonna center, view, and there we go. Center, center. All right, I see a little. All right, so centered. That's it. Let's go ahead and press it. I feel like it's stuck a little bit right here, so y'all gonna see that when I'm finished. It creased right there. I'm not doing it over because I only got one shirt, so we're gonna make it work. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and add our butcher paper. Press for 25 seconds, and we'll be right back to see what it gives. All right, okay, let's go. Make sure it's covered. That's that. She done. Let's take our butcher paper off, and it looks so good, y'all. OMG. Okay, so y'all see what it looks like right here? Can y'all see it? Now I normally don't do this. I'm gonna put it on because y'all never see what it looks like on a person, and let's see what it looks like once I put it on. Let's close this though. But yeah, looks really good. Perfect. Colors are bright. That's what that little inkjet printer does. Okay, you see how good she comes out? All right, let's put it on. And here we go. Hot off the presses. Really cute t-shirt. Y'all see how good it came out? It really feels good. It doesn't feel like loud, like sometimes vinyl feels loud, so it doesn't feel loud. She's really giving. Y'all see? Okay, because I normally don't be showing y'all what it looks like once you put it on, but she looks good. Really vibrant, really bright. Thanks to ChatGPT and your girl on her mind and getting this, what I wanted it to come out with. Y'all see me, okay? It's the Crafty Closet. Y'all know I appreciate you for watching. Come back for more videos. And again, y'all hit the subscribe button. Help me grow this channel. Me and Barbie say peace. Bye, y'all. See you in the next one. She look good, y'all. You can't tell anybody this off of one of them websites. All right, yes, put it on little cute little shorts and your accessories. You already know where it's going. See y'all.